Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to our classes. Today we are in page 81, the second part. So let's get started. So today we are going to do al-maddul munfasil and maddul sila. Al-maddu al-munfasil. Al-munfasil means the separated, okay, the detached, okay. As you can remember, on the first part we did al-maddu al-muttasil, the joined or the attached madda, which means the hamza, the madda and the hamza, they are together in the same word, okay. Look at the madda and the hamza in the same word, the madda and the hamza in the same word, okay. But al-munfasil, the separated one or the detached one, look, the madda is on another word and the hamza on another word, the madda in another word and the hamza on another word, the madda in another word and the hamza in another word. So that is the most important thing you should get from this lesson today. And also something else, al-maddul muttasil is also called al-maddul jaiz. Al-maddul jaiz, which means you can make it long or you can choose not to make it long, okay. That is when you have a choice, okay. So let's get started, and the more or the much details on the madd al-munfasil and madd al-sila you're going to know in the durus of tajweed. So we have the first one, ماذا أراد, okay, or you can say ماذا أراد ما أصاب, or you can say ما أصاب معنا أخانا. You have a choice to say that. وما أكل وقالوا أئذا, and you can also say وقالوا أئذا. And just look at this circle here in the Quran. We are going to study about it and what it means. Then we have ألا إلى يا أبانا على آثارهما look at the hamza, it has an alif, آثارهما. Then we have, look here, we have the madda and the hamza and the zaha. This is madd al-sila, okay, the madd al-sila. وَوَرِثَهُ أبواه. You can also say like that. Let's continue here. Then we have معه أخاه هارون, ألف صغيرة, do not forget about it. معه أخاه هارون, okay. Also look at this waw, remember the waw al-maddiyya, okay, and there's a mad on top of it, okay. Now this is sila, remember we said the madd al-sila, there's a ha, then the hamza, okay. معه أخاه هارون. Also you can say معه أخاه هارون. Then we have بما كسبوا أتريدون. As well you can say like that. Look at the madda and the hamza. Remember this is al-maddul munfasil. Let's go through it one more time. And as we said, look, for al-maddul al-munfasil and maddul sila, just get to see that we have the madda on another word and the hamza on another word. Madda on one side and the hamza on another. Madda on one side and hamza on another word. That is the thing you have to take from this class. The rest you're going to learn it in the future. Then we have ماذا أراد or ماذا أراد ما أصاب or ما أصاب معنا أخانا وما أكل وقالوا أئذا. Okay, look at this alif and there's a circle. Okay, look at this circle. This is not sukun, but inshallah you are going to know what it does. Okay, just look at it, make sure you know this thing here. ألا إلى يا أبانا على آثارهما You can also say like that. Look at the hamza, there's an alif. Please make sure you don't say atha. وورثه أبواه. Okay, look at the ha, okay, and the hamza on another side. This is maddu sila. Remember maddu sila, there is a ha before the hamza. وورثه أبواه. Then we have معه أخاه هارون. Look at the ha and the hamza. Okay, then there's the long waw and the madda, two separate things. Okay, بما كسبوا أتريدون. Inshallah, see you in the next page. Just remember, make sure you can read and make sure you can see that the madda is on another side and the hamza on another side. And maddu sila, there's a ha, then the ha with the madda and hamza. Okay, ha with the madda and hamza. Okay, that is the main thing you need to take from this lesson. Inshallah, ma'a salama. Thank you for watching. See you in the next page.